Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're playing I forgot what the name, Teardown. Something with Tear. Alright, so this is my house. Open the gate. Alright, get out of here. Pick up my tools. Replace the fuse to turn on power. That's over here. Open sesame. Oh, these damn doors. What the hell is it? Get out of here. Alright, already done that. And now it's go inside and check my messages. And I don't feel like shutting my doors, so. New message from Tracy. Gas bill. Hugs, Mom. Gas bill just dropped. This came in, sounds kind of fishy. You up for it? From Garden Room. Sure. I'm not reading the entire thing, but yeah. This is one big map. I hope I'm demolishing it with the weapons I just got. Loading. I'm loading. Alright, that's all. Don't really want the fires to happen though. No, get out the way. Gotta put the fire out. Cause I'm a firefighter now. Die, fire.
So let me know what you can handle.
Why is it still going? Mission accomplished. Okay, now it's finished. Really? There you go.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is... get out while you still can!
gonna be a lot of editing for me to do. Ow. Now what do I need to do? Scroll, wait. I just need to go over here. So per video, I'm going to do 2 missions per video. That building was under, a part of a criminal investigation. Oh. Delete computers, chemicals. Well, now I don't want to film it. That's always fun. I just live. My glass is strong. Jesus Christ. Destroy. No one should know what this place was or what. No one should know what this place is. Let me in. Down my way. Oh. Youch. Ow.
Look close. Closer.
I keep hitting myself. Yes. Nice. Nice. They're gonna be questioning why there's a giant hole inside of that building. Want me to go back to the vehicle? that was 2 missions. Thank you for watching.